Next letter is very easy, Seen. Seen. This is how the Seen looks like. It looks like 3 fingers or 3 vertical dashes with a belly attached to it. The Seen sound is exactly the S sound in English. A good example of the letter Seen is the word samaka. Samaka, samaka. Samaka means fish, or the word sama, sama. Sama means sky. Next letter, also very easy, it's letter Sheen. Sheen. Sheen looks just like the Seen with 3 dots on top of it. And the equivalent of Sheen in English is the SH, the combination of 2 letters, SH, and it gives the sound sh, sh. So for example, the word shams, shams, shams. Shams means sun. Or the word shajara, shajara. Shajara means a tree. So Sheen, shams, shajara. Shams, shajara. And now let's bounce back to some letters that don't have equivalent in English. Next letter is Sod. Sod. Sod is kind of like an S, but with your mouth full of air a little bit. Comparing between seen, all the air is like released out of the mouth. There's no air in the mouth. But when you're saying sod, you feel like your mouth is full a little bit. Saw. Not sa, it's saw. Sod. This is how sod looks like. There's a belly, the belly that you see in the Seen and the Sheen, but instead of the 3 fingers or 3 vertical lines, you see this kind of shape, this kind of like reformed circle. A good example of the letter sod is the word siyam. Siyam. Siyam means fasting, like when we Muslims do in Ramadan. Siyam. Or sabah. Sabah. Sabah means morning. That's why when you say good morning, you say sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Or as we say it in Egypt, sabah al khair. So sad, siyam, sabah. Next letter is dad. Dad does not have an equivalent in English or in any other language. That's why the Arabic language is called lughatul dad, the dad language. It's not found in any other languages. And dad looks like D, but with your mouth full a little bit. So there's a difference between da and da. And a very good example of the letter dad is the past verb daraba. Daraba is the past verb from the verb hit. Daraba. Another example is da'a. Da'a is a past verb as well. It means got lost. So if I want to say my pen got lost or I lost my pen, I say qalami, my pen, da'a, like got lost.